Hello, hello. Welcome to Notary Life with Kimmi. Hello to those who will listen to the podcast and those who will watch the replay. Welcome to the channel where the players play. Actually, you guys know I'm in Atlanta, and I love when I come through the airport and I see those words, or I hear that little song. Kind of cracks me up. So, hey, welcome. So it is Saturday morning and we are live in the house. So we'll give YouTube a few minutes to notify everyone. You know how that works. I'm back again because I had some amazing questions. Hey, everybody. I had some amazing questions about the new Build Your Notary Business coaching. Yes. If you have not heard and you are new to the party, I'm offering coaching now. And people have been asking me for years for a coaching program, but I couldn't roll it out till it was right. You know how I do. Hey, Dana, welcome. Where you from, Dana? And whoever else is joining us right now. Hey, everybody, welcome. Yeah, you saw it right. Do you really want to learn the notary business? I mean, do you really want to learn? We're going to talk about it. Jamiko, hello, new here too. Welcome, Jamiko. Welcome. Got a lot of newbies today. That's kind of why I like to mix it up and go live at different times, because everybody can't do Monday. Everybody can't do any one day. So welcome. So yeah, let's get right to it though. So the question again today is, do you really want to learn the notary business? And I'm California. Okay, great. And we got Columbia, South Carolina in the house. Very good. So yeah, today's question was though, do you really want to learn the notary business? And if you do, you are in the right place. So let's talk about it. So for those of you who don't know and you are new, I'm Kimmi. I'm a notary here in the state of Georgia, but I teach nationwide. All of your documents will not originate from the state that you live in. So we got California in the house, South Carolina. I actually have a book for each state that if you're trying to start your business, check it out, how to start your business in California, because it's just a little bit different than how to start your business in South Carolina. So each state has their own book. However, being a notary is just being a notary in all states. It's the same thing, basically. Just like if you're a heart surgeon, you don't have to operate only on Black people, white people, Asian people. You can operate on anybody because a heart is a heart, right? A piece of paper is a piece of paper. Now, you do need to know what to do with it, and that's why we're here today. Do you really want to learn about the notary business? So what I have come up with, since you know a little bit about me, again, I've been a notary off and on for 20 years. I have my YouTube channel here. I have my teaching company, Notary Educators, where myself, Alexis, Angela, and Jeffrey, we all teach. We all independently have our own notary businesses. And then we come together to form Notary Educators, where we actually educate. We don't just sell courses. So I'm so excited. If you have not heard, I've been going live every day this week just because I really want the message out. We have started a new program, and it's called Build Your Notary Business Coaching. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken all of my training, which is 8 major components to building your notary business. The most popular one is Notarize Like a Pro, because that's that initial learning how to notarize documents. And that's what keeps most people from executing and growing in their business. They just don't know how to notarize. They're afraid of acknowledgments. They're afraid of jurats. Okay, how to administer an oath. Do I really have to do these things? Do I have to have a journal? You know, what kind of ID can I accept? So that course covers your basics, right? I've taken all of my courses, which also include Build Your Notary Business Step by Step. Okay. And also notarizing estate packages now is a thing. And it is a little bit different than your regular document. Notarizing estate packages and notarizing trust packages. So that's what that course is, right? Then I have the specialty general notary course, which takes you into nursing homes and hospitals. So you're saying, Kimmi, why are you telling me about all these courses? Because I want you to learn the business. Hold on, I got a treat for you. And then pricing and marketing. I have a course about that. Ink fingerprinting. A lot of people want to add that. The I-9 training. People want to add that. And the last one is translation services. So these are all different parts of your notary business that you need to learn if you want to be able to make money and be profitable, right? Now we go to the question, do you really want to learn the notary business, and how do you learn it, right? A lot of people are saying, Kimmi, I want to take your courses, but I just don't have $400 to take everything. I don't have $500 to take everything. And that's okay. You don't need it, because guess what I did? I'm rolling out again, Build Your Notary Business coaching. And along with the coaching comes, guess what? All of my 8 classes, all of my courses, online, self-paced, unlimited access. So you get unlimited access to the courses that I just discussed. Also, weekly live workshops, okay? Live weekly workshops. And that's me. We're going to actually deep dive into this notary business. You will learn how to do copy certification. You will learn what to do if there's no verbiage on the document. You're going to learn if you can take ID from a minor. All these different things, right? What type of supplies are needed. I go over this in the course, but we're going to deep dive weekly. So the first few minutes of every session weekly will consist of some training. It just will. You have to know this business inside and out to make your money. You cannot fake it till you make it. I'm in so many Facebook groups and people put copies of documents. You know, what do I do here? If you're asking what goes on this line and it's the date, you should not be notarizing. Okay. So that's why I asked the question, do you really want to learn the notary business? And if you do, I'm ready to help you do so. I'm giving you access to all of my courses. Again, $39.99, which includes free workshops every week. When I first rolled out this $39.99 program last week, it wasn't including live workshops. And I got to thinking, I said, you know what? I can give the people an hour a week to try to make sure they're grasping the information, because it's there. So I had some questions that come up from the live that I did the other day. Okay, let's go over it. And all of this can be found at notaryeducatorsllc.com. notaryeducatorsllc.com. I neglected to say where you can look into this a little bit deeper. We are going to start the kickoff next Friday, the 12th. I typically do not date my videos for YouTube reasons, but July 12th is the kickoff, which is a Friday. So you definitely want to join before then. Our first kickoff meeting is going to be on Friday, where we'll do introductions. We'll go over what the program is going to look like deeper. This does include a group chat, a private community chat via WhatsApp, where we can stay in touch, and I will be in and out of the group. Mysterious Lady, welcome. I just became a notary. Welcome, Mysterious Lady. I got a lot of newbies today. First time here on my live too. I appreciate it. Yes, I'm just going over, and go back and watch the beginning if you missed it, but the new coaching program I'm rolling out, Build Your Notary Business. And it's designed for my newbies. It's designed for newbies and those who just don't know what to do. They have their commission, they're stuck. What do I do? What are my next steps? So we're going to build out these businesses together. I know it ain't flashy, it ain't sexy. It's not, let's make $100,000 a year. You will make the money if you know what to do. So I'm here to give you that foundation. If you really want to learn the notary business, this is the program for you. Okay. Complete access to the courses, and weekly with me, and a private community for you to chat. Now, I had some questions that came up the other day, so I'm going to address those from the group. From my videos first, and then we'll get to whatever questions you have about the new program and what does it look like? How does it work? If you have some additional questions. So one of the questions was, new coaching. So I already talked about this. Is a new coaching opportunity for us to help you to grow your business. So one of the questions was, does the new coaching opportunity that I'm offering, does it come with one-to-one coaching? Does it come with one-to-one? It doesn't come with one-to-one. Okay. But what happens is I'm here anyway. So if it's just a one-off question about something, sure. If I have to give you a phone call, I can. Most of our communication would be through the group we chat. But if it's something like, hey, Kimmi, I really need to ask this burning question or whatever, or you can email me first. If I feel I need to call you, I will. But so it doesn't come with, say, one-to-one, but I'm always here anyway. But if you need like a full-blown hour session or half an hour session, I might need to clear my calendar and put you on my calendar. Yes, there is a group. There's one-to-one coaching available at a discounted rate. Okay. Another one was, can I start watching the videos immediately after I do the download? Yes, immediately after joining the coaching program, you have access to the videos, and I want you to start watching them. Some people were like, well, I'll wait until next Friday. No, I'm going to set the parameters and help you to grow your business. So what does that look like? You can start the moment you pay the $39.99 to join, you can start watching the videos, right? And then when we get together weekly, then we're going to be discussing what you learned, what you had questions about, and your peers will be doing the same. So you're watching a video, 5 other people are watching the video, and then we're all talking about it. Hey, Kimmi, this wasn't clear, or can you add a little bit more to this? Okay.